right, so apparently I didn't press record for the last one. So on my background, now that it's completely dry, all I'm going to do is stamp my little swirl. This comes in the same set as the poinsettia. I'm going to stamp it with Versamark, and I'm going to emboss it with white powder. Now, you'll see there's a big mess of embossing powder splatters here. This is where I am putting my poinsettia, so I'm actually not worried about it. You're not going to see any of that. If there was an area that you were going to see it, that you're quite concerned about it, take your little brush, same as last card, and brush off where the excess powder is. And that way you're not going to have a mess. But like I said, my poinsettia is going right here. You're not going to see any of that. The other thing, there's several different other stamps within this set. You could stamp and emboss those instead of the little swirl. I wanted my focus to still be on the poinsettia, so I didn't want anything to take the attention away from that. But you could also take one of your other stamps and use, say, the weathered wood Oxide, and just stamp a little bit of the pattern in it. It's very, very subtle. It's not in your face. It just adds a little bit of extra texture to it. Just a way to add a little bit more texture to your card. And if your background ended up being a little bit lighter than mine, you'd end up seeing a little bit more of that. Just another option for if you'd like.